Now let's dive into digestive enzymes. So, enzymes are crucial for breaking down food into nutrients, and any deficiencies in these enzymes can significantly impact digestion and it contribute to constipation. So, let's start with key enzymes. Number one, amylase. Amylase is responsible for breaking down carbohydrates into simple sugars, primarily glucose, which the body uses for energy. This process begins in the mouth with the salivary amylase and continues in the small intestines with pancreatic amylase. A deficiency in amylase can lead to undigested carbohydrates reaching the colon, where they can ferment, causing bloating, gas, and constipation. So, ensuring adequate amylase activity is essential for smooth digestion and preventing these uncomfortable symptoms. Next, protease. So protease break down proteins into amino acids, which are crucial for various bodily functions, including muscle repair and immune response. This enzyme is produced in the stomach called pepsin and pancreas, trypsin and chymotrypsin. So inadequate protease activity can result in undigested proteins reaching the large intestine, leading to digestive discomfort, including bloating and constipation. So ensuring sufficient protease activity helps in efficient digestion of proteins and prevention of these issues. Number third, lipase. Lipase is, or lipase, however you want to pronounce it. So lipase is responsible for breaking down dietary fats into fatty acids and glycerol, which can be absorbed by the intestines. This enzyme is produced in the pancreas and works in the small intestine. A deficiency in lipase can cause fat malabsorption, leading to steatorrhea, greasy stool, bloating, and constipation. So, if you see, that's the reason why Bristol stool charts is very useful. If you find greasy stool, you can understand that there is a malabsorption of the fat, which is deficiency in lipase. So maintaining adequate lipase levels is essential for proper digestion of fats and overall digestive health. Next is lactase. So lactase breaks down the sugar, which is called lactose. The sugar found in the milk and dairy products include glucose and galactose. This enzyme is produced in the small intestine, so lactose intolerance resulting from the deficiency in lactase can cause bloating, gas, and constipation. So when undigested lactose reaches the colon and ferments. So identifying and managing lactose intolerance is crucial for preventing these digestive issues. And many large percentage of population in the world have lactose intolerance because their body cannot produce lactase. Next is cellulase. Humans do not naturally produce cellulase, an enzyme that breaks down cellulose, a major component of dietary fiber found in the plant cell walls. However, cellulase can be obtained from dietary sources like fermented foods or supplements. So these enzymes help break down fiber, aiding in digestion and preventing constipation. So including cellulase in your diet through these sources can help fiber digestion and bowel regularity. So the trillions of microbes that are found in gut microbiome can help produce the enzyme cellulase, which breaks down the cellulose, and that essentially helps in our bowel regularity. Next is sucrase. So sucrase is responsible for breaking down sucrose, which is table sugar, into glucose and fructose, which are absorbed by the intestines. This enzyme is produced in the small intestine. A deficiency in sucrase can lead to undigested sucrose reaching the colon, causing bloating, gas, and potentially constipation. Ensuring adequate sucrase activity is vital for proper digestion of sugars and preventing digestive discomforts. Next, maltase. Maltase breaks down maltose, a sugar found in malt products into two glucose molecules. This enzyme is produced in the small intestines again. Without sufficient maltase, maltose remains undigested and can cause digestive discomfort, including bloating and constipation. Maintaining adequate maltase levels is important for efficient digestion of maltose and overall digestive health. Next is peptidase. Peptidase break down peptides, which are small chains of amino acids, into individual amino acids that body can absorb and use. These enzymes is this enzyme is crucial for complete digestion of protein. A deficiency in peptidase can lead to incomplete proper digestion, resulting in digestive issues, obviously bloating and constipation. Therefore, ensuring sufficient peptidase activity helps in thorough digestion of proteins and prevention of these symptoms. Next is phytase. So, phytase breaks down phytic acid, an anti-nutrient found in seed, nuts, grains, and legumes, which binds the essential minerals and reduce their absorption. This enzyme helps release these bound minerals, improving their absorption and supporting overall digestive health. So, including phytase-rich foods or supplements in your diet can enhance mineral absorption and prevent constipation. So, phytic acid, for example, you can be found in almonds. And one of the ways to reduce phytic acid in almonds is to soak it overnight and peel the cover and eat it. So, that will reduce the phytic acid. Finally, the last one is alpha galactosidase. Alpha galactosidase breaks down complex carbohydrates found in legumes and cruciferous vegetables into a simpler sugars that are easy to digest. These enzymes helps reduce gas and bloating and which can contribute to constipation. So taking alpha galactosidase supplements, especially when consuming gas producing foods, can improve digestion and prevent constipation. So, understanding the role of these enzymes can help in identifying potential deficiencies that may contribute to constipation. And obviously, addressing these deficiencies through dietary changes or supplements can form a part of an effective, personalized approach to managing and preventing constipation. And we'll talk about home remedies, which are DIY and natural remedies, in the following chapter. But understanding these deficiencies are extremely useful because that can identify our root cause, and then home remedies can target those root cause.